Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we're going to draw and color a family. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the mom's face. Her eyes, nose, mouth, and then her body. She's wearing a cute dress. Finally, draw her legs and shoes. Her hair. Next to her, I draw a girl. Her face, her hair. She has 2 braids. Her eyes, nose, mouth, and then her body. I draw a nice dress for her too. And then her legs and shoes. Next to her, I drew her brother. I draw his face and his short hair, his eyes, nose, mouth. He wears a shirt, I draw his legs and shoes. Finally, draw the dad. I draw his face, his hair, his eyes, nose, mouth, and small lines for his beard. He wears a shirt, a belt, and I draw his legs and shoes. I draw a heart in the middle. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the mom first. I use cream for her skin. I color her hair brown. Yellow. Purple for her dress. Pink. I continue with the girl. Cream for her skin. I color the hair light brown. Red. Yellow for her clothes. I used the same cream for the boy's skin. Black for his hair. Light green. Orange. His pants are blue. Dark green. I finish coloring with the dad. Cream for his skin. He has very dark brown hair. Red, black, yellow, light blue, for his pants, I use dark blue, black. They look adorable. Red for the heart. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.